Their planes get
loaded and checked.
Good job, loaded and checked. Suitcases go
Into the cargo hold.
Good job. Fuel goes
Into wings.
Good job.
Is it the wings?
Yeah, fuel goes into the wings. Good job. Then the people
go on board.
Good job. Go on board. You know this book. All right. They go inside
and find their seats.
Good job.
He's putting his hat away.
Oh yeah, he's putting his hat away.
He's putting it in a box.
Up front in the cockpit. What happens?
I don't know.
The pilots
get ready.
Good job. The pilots get ready. The control tower radios.
When all is clear.
Good job. When all is clear.
Oh, the big planes there.
Buckle your seatbelts.
Valentine's Day. Is that me?
Yep.
Is that you?
Yep.
Is that Daddy?
Yep.
Is that Scott?
Yep.
Is that Dewey?
Yep. Good job. Who's this?
I know.
Diana.
Diana.
Yeah. The plane starts rolling.
Slowly to the runway.
Good job. Control tower to pilot.
All clear for takeoff.
Good job. They roar down the runway.
Faster and faster.
Good job.
They're
Then
up in the sky.
good job. Up in the sky.
They're on their way.
Good job.
They're going to Hawaii.
Really?
Bye, guys. Take a trip.
Have a good trip.
Again.
Good job, Richard.
It's the last one.
We haven't read that book in a few days. I haven't read that book with you in a long time. You did a great job. You know all the words, don't you? Yep. Good job.